Hello seasteaders! It is time for another update from the Ocean Builders in Panama. So this week, or this past couple of weeks, we've been working hard, trying to get everything still going. We're not going to stop through the virus. We're going to keep on going. For those people looking in the future, there was this coronavirus thing way back in March 2020. Yeah, so let's just get on it. Let's see, today I'll tell you a little bit about, we got our drone. We tested it in the swimming pool last time. Now we're actually taking it out into the water. So let's take a look. So here's Nadia in front of the little panga boat called Doña Lucy. This is through the marina, through the anchorage, on our way to where the final site is. I'll speed up a little bit, and yeah, here's the actual location. You can see the island to the east, facing forward is the north. There's little islands all far off from the water, but the water here is very very calm, as you can see. Here's the drone that we have for underwater. Just getting that set up. Yeah, but the water there is so beautiful. There's a little beach off to the side there. The island is uninhabited, a private island owned by several folks there at Linton Bay. But yeah, this drone, basically today we're just testing it out. We drove a little bit in the pool. It's not the easiest thing to figure out as far as controlling it, but it worked right out of the box. We can just put it in the water and it'll run. So here's getting in the water. We need to correct the buoyancy. This involves adding a few weights on the bottom, but we just wanted to see how much we would need this first time. But yeah, it seems to be okay to control. It's a little fast, so it just takes off. But yeah, I'll show you some video under the water. It's not really deep. The location we were at was 3 or 4 meters deep, so we're just again getting used to the new drone and how it handles. I've done some video cuts so it doesn't make you sick watching the difficult driving experience. Here's the sea floor. We're gonna be setting our anchors down in this dirt, this sandy bottom, but I think the whole area will be great for scuba diving. The key here, I think this is great for a before video, showing that there's not a lot of fish there. I mean, I think you see 1 or 2 fish in this video. There's one. But yeah, it's great for snorkeling, great for scuba diving. Here's Nadia and I going in to get some pictures of the actual drone while it's in there. Here's the Deep Trekker drone. Like I said, it didn't go deep, but it can go, I think, about 100 meters deep. Well, that's the limit of the line. So hopefully we don't have to do too many deep water excursions, but that's what this is for. There's our head of engineering controlling it. He was the one doing most of the controlling throughout the day, getting a good handle on it. It is very tricky with the buoyancy because it kept wanting to come up, so you have to point it downwards in order to keep it going, so it's not very smooth. But successful first day test. It was Yep, and then we took it home, put it back in the pool to get all the salt water off. But yeah, the drone would be great for exploring the different areas that we're going to be putting our RC homes. Here we have that's the Donnie Lucy, the Panga we were driving, and we just got a new boat. We just put that in the water this week, the Barnacles. This is our big boat for, we'll be able to push our sea homes out. We'll be able to do experiments with this big open area, so it's very, very handy. That was another thing we did. Our work site's coming along. This week we'll be pouring concrete in that area. We're having the whole area cleared out so we can have a path right to the marina, and this allows our homes to go down and into the water. They can get lowered in. Also, we have our 3D printer is being shipped off this week. We've been patiently waiting for that. That's about it. Yeah, we're working hard through this. We're not gonna stop working. We want these homes to be out there this summer, so we get that 3D printer. We'll be testing things. We'll spend a lot of time doing testing, learning, just like we went out with the drone a couple times, just to get a feel for it, see what capabilities it can take. Panama here is on lockdown, so I would ask experts to come down and be able to play around with our tools. But actually we have a person that's here, a couple of people here that have to go home tomorrow because there's no more flights in or out after Monday. So they will be leaving, but we will try to get as many people to offer their expertise remotely. But we're here on the ground, working hard every day. There's no days off for us. So while the world sleeps, we're making sure we move forward, because we see this. I mean, it's tragic, but actually, I don't know. I'll let you decide how tragic it is, but it's an opportunity to show the world that what we're building is actually going to be very useful in the future. No matter if you're scared of the virus or the reaction to the virus, living out on the ocean will be helpful for both those situations. So we are making sure that we are going to be providing a solution that everybody can take advantage of in the near future. And we hope to have a lot of these in the water. Alright, it's good to talk to you guys, and have a good week.